Students, we have started new chapter from mathematics first, chapter 3, arithmetic progression from last lecture. In last lecture, we have seen about the definition of arithmetic progression. What is the definition of arithmetic progression? Arithmetic progression is the sequence in which the difference between consecutive terms is constant. This constant difference is called as common difference and it is denoted by small d. Its value may be positive, negative or 0. We have also studied some of the examples from practice set 3.1. Now we are going to start about the nth term of arithmetic progression. We will obtain the formula for arithmetic progression or nth term of arithmetic progression. Let T1, T2, T3 dash 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 Tn is an AP. If A is first term and D is common difference, then T1 is equal to A, T2 is equal to T1 plus D, that is A plus D. We can write it as A plus 2 minus 1 into D. Here coefficient of D is 1. We can write 1 as 2 minus 1 into D. Then T3 is equal to A plus 2D. The difference will increase by again D. Therefore, we can write it as A plus 3 minus 1 into D. 2 is 3 minus 1. Then T4 is equal to A plus 3D, that is A plus 4 minus 1 into D. In this way, we can write Tn is equal to A plus n minus 1 into D, and this is the general formula for nth term of an AP. Now we will solve examples by using this formula. We will take first example. Example 1. Given arithmetic progression is 12, 16, 20, 24 dash dash dash. Find the 24th term of this arithmetic progression. Here given arithmetic progression is 12, 16, 20, 24, etc. Here first term, that is A, is equal to 12. Then common difference D is equal to T2 minus T1, that is 16 minus 12, or T3 minus T2, that is 20 minus 16, or 24 minus 20. Here common difference is 4, d is equal to 4. Therefore, by using formula for nth term, what is formula? Tn is equal to a plus n minus 1 into bracket into d. We will put here the values. We have to find T24. 24th term means T24, n is equal to 24. T24 is equal to 12 plus 24 minus 1 into D4. Therefore, T24 is equal to 12 plus 23 into 4. Therefore, T24 is equal to 12 plus 23 into 4, 92. Therefore, T24 is equal to 104. That means 24th term. Therefore, 24th term of given arithmetic progression is 104. We will take again one example. Which term of the following AP is 560? Given arithmetic progression is 2, 11, 20, 29, etc. Given arithmetic progression is 2, 11, 20, 29. Here a is equal to 2, that is first term is equal to 2. D is equal to 11 minus 2, or 20 minus 11 is equal to 9. Therefore, nth term of NAP is Tn is equal to a plus n minus 1 into d. Therefore, the nth term is given, which is 516 is equal to a, value of a is 2, n minus 1 into d 9. Here we have to find n. Which of the following term? Nth term means n. Therefore, 560 is equal to 2 plus 9 into n, 9n minus 9. Therefore, 560 is equal to 9n, 2 minus 9 minus 7. Therefore, 9n is equal to 560 plus 7. Therefore, 9n is equal to 567. Therefore, n is equal to 567 upon 9. Therefore, n is equal to, here 9 6 is 54 and 9 3 is 27. Therefore, n is equal to 63. Therefore, 63rd term of given arithmetic progression is 560. We will take one example from your practice set 2.2. Example is find how many 3-digit number. How many 3-digit numbers are divisible by 5? Here the 3-digit numbers divisible by 5 are, which will be first number? It will be 100, divisible by 5. Then next number will be 105, next number will be 110, dash dash dash, and last number will be 995. We have to find only 3-digit numbers divisible by 5. Therefore, here A is equal to 100, D is equal to 5, and nth term of this arithmetic progression, last term is 995, and we have to find n. Therefore, we will use formula Tn is equal to A plus n minus 1 into D. Tn 995 is equal to A 100 plus n minus 1 into D 5. Therefore, 995 is equal to 100 plus 5n minus 5. Therefore, 995 is equal to 100 minus 5, 95 plus 5n. Therefore, 5n is equal to 995 minus 95. Therefore, 5n is equal to 900. Therefore, n is equal to 900 upon 5. Therefore, n is equal to, what is division? 900 upon 5. Here 5 1 is 5, remainder is 4. 5 5 1 is 5, 5 8 is 40, and 0 as it is. Therefore, n is equal to 180, means there are 180 3-digit numbers which are divisible by 5. Again, example number 7 from practice set. The 11th term and 21st term of NAP are 16 and 29 respectively. then find first term or 41st term of that arithmetic progression. Here T11 is equal to 16, T21 is equal to 29. We know formula for nth term, that is Tn is equal to a plus n minus 1 into d. Therefore T11 is equal to a plus 11 minus 1 into d. Therefore T11 is equal to a plus 10d. Let it equation 1. Then using same formula, T21 is equal to a plus 21 minus 1 into d. Therefore T21 is equal to a plus 20d. Give second number to this equation. Here these two equations are the equations in linear equations in two variable, that is a and d. We will solve these two examples. The 11th term is given, it is 16. Therefore here 16 is equal to a plus 10d. Give this equation number 1. And 21st term is 29 is equal to a plus 20d. It is second equation. Here we will subtract equation first from equation second. Therefore a plus 20d is equal to 29 minus a plus 10d is equal to 16. Here signs of second equation, all terms of second equation will change. A minus a gets 0. Therefore 10d is equal to 13. Therefore d is equal to 13 upon 10 is equal to 1.3. Put this value of d in equation 1. Put d is equal to 1.3 in equation 1. Therefore 16 is equal to a plus 10 into 1.3. Therefore 16 is equal to a plus 13. Therefore a is equal to 16 minus 13. Therefore a is equal to 3. Now we have first term a is equal to 3, common difference d is equal to 1.3, and we have to find 41st term or 41th term. Therefore by using formula Tn is equal to a plus n minus 1 into d. Therefore T41 is equal to, value of a is 3 plus 41 minus 1 into d 1.3. Therefore T41 is equal to 3 plus. Therefore T41 is equal to 3 plus 40 into 1.3. That means T41 is equal to 3 plus 40 into 1.3, 52. Therefore T41 is equal to 55. That means 41st term of this arithmetic progression is 55. Similarly, you have to solve all examples from practice set 3.2, complete homework and solve all examples. Send your photocopy to our WhatsApp group. Homework practice set 3.4. Thank you.